Today I'm going to be showing you how to error check integer numbers. I'm going to be using NetBeans to do this. So in this tutorial I'm not going to be showing you any of how to do any of this. It will be my knowledge that you know what this is and you're trying to check your numbers and it's not working. So let's see what this runs. Okay, enter an integer number. Let's enter a valid integer number, 12. Please enter another integer number. And that's all it does. This number right there would equal that. That number right there would equal that. Okay, let's try that one more time then. Let's enter random numbers. See, an error comes in and it crashes. Input mismatch exception. Next thing is trying to put the string of these into an integer, which is not a number, so it cannot do that. So it just crashes. The other one, same thing. It's trying to put this string into that integer that is not a number, so it will not work. Now, one way to do this, do a try catch, which I'm sure a lot of you know how to do. Because it's the easiest way, it's simple. Very simple. That's all we have to do. Now what this does is it tries to do this. If it doesn't work, it does that. That's pretty much it. So the first one, there's nothing changed. We have to enter in some actual value. This one, it doesn't crash. It actually runs the rest of the program. But the thing is, with a try catch, if it works, it's fine. Like nothing else happened. But if it has a catch and exception, this is creating an object. If you know anything about objects, so it creates an object. Now to create this object though, it comes with a lot of overhead. That means it pretty much takes up a lot of memory and space, like as you're running the program. So it'll slow it down. Like something basic like this won't really affect it much. But if you have like a massive program, you really don't want to use this. You'd want to use a try catch for something that there's no possible way for you to get any exceptions. So this is what you have to do. You have to create a method that checks what it does. And I've already created that method, it's down here. I'll just bring that back up here. And this method's called is a number, and it will return a Boolean number. So what you do is number check, and this is just, now you just gotta call the method. Check equals is a number. Now what this is you have to enter in your string, so that's that right there. String number 2. Now what it will do is it runs through this, which I am now going to go over. So first creates an integer, sets it to 0. Then it creates a Boolean number value equals true. And it will return true if it's valid. So if the string dot length is equal to 0, so the string is empty, completely empty, it returns false, because it can't do it anyway. And if it doesn't, while, right here, while I, which is equal to 0, is less than s dot length, it will continue going through this loop. Now this is not symbol, so if not character dot is digit, and then in here is s dot try I, it will return false because it is not a digit. It's not a digit at string I, and I is equal to 0, and then I++ will add 1 to I, and then it'll go through the loop again and see if the string at 1 is equal to a digit, or not equal to a digit, and it'll return false if it's ever not equal to a digit. And then finally it will return valid, if it's valid or not, and if it didn't go through this, hit that false. If it didn't hit that false, then it'll just return true like it is at the top. For a larger program, this will save you a lot of overhead. So this is what it returns. This is just one more thing you have to do. So if else, because you don't even have an else's, because there's only 2 options for this, true or false. So if number check equals true, so that means it is a number. We're gonna do, let's just put this up here, is couldnt. Couldnt is equal to int. And you'll just do the parse inside here. That's all you have to do. An else system and that's it. Well, let's try this again. Should do the same thing as the try catch, but it would less overhead. So let's try this. Let's finish on the valid in first, and it doesn't really do anything else because actually let's I always do that. Let's just stop this actually. Let's just change this up a little bit. Now a valid number. Let's try again. First does not change, so we had to add something valid. Second one, let's try adding a valid number. Number is valid and you entered 121. Good, so it worked. Now let's try this again. And let's enter hello. Hello is not a valid number. Let's try enter 1. And then 1 hello is not a valid number. So it worked. Without using a try catch, you just use a simple method and check the string. Because the string is an object, so you can do stringed up is digit. And there you go. This will be in the description, and thanks for your time. I hope this helped.